Today we have a posture corrector to review. It's by Easy Posture Brands.
We each got one of these easy posture correctors to help improve our posture and prevent slouching.
I've noticed when I see myself in a mirror or sometimes catch myself in a picture that I've started to get rounded shoulders as I get older. So I'm concerned about that, and I know posture is really important, not only to how you feel, but how you look.
So I really like the one I've been wearing. I've been wearing it for the last couple days. It has helped keep my shoulders from rounding in and helped me stand up a lot taller than I used to.
So many people would benefit from using this posture corrector, especially those that sit at a desk all day, or maybe even sit in their car, drive a lot, those who, mothers who breastfeed, or just parents in general who are bending over, picking up children. Just about anybody would benefit from using a posture corrector.
The largest cause of back pain is poor sitting posture. Over time, poor posture can add stress to your spine, and that leads to anatomical changes, and that would lead then to some joint pain, some muscle pain, and a lot of problems with your spine.
So it really trains you to pay more attention to your posture. Kind of straightens you out at the same time that it's raising your level of awareness.
Alright, so here is a better look at the posture corrector itself. The fabric is soft, and while I have it on, it doesn't irritate my skin. It's very, very lightweight, almost nothing. And it's not visible under your clothes. I wore this for one evening for a little bit under my shirt, and no one asked me if there was anything under my clothes or anything like that, so...
Now, it's not advisable to wear this while sleeping. I guess that's common sense. It wouldn't be comfortable, and yeah. So during the day, actually, Easy Posture Brands recommends that you start by wearing this device for 15 to 20 minutes for a few days at home, and then increase by 30-minute increments for up to 3 hours in one session. And they do recommend that you don't wear it for longer than 12 hours a day.
So this can be washed in warm water with a mild detergent and then hung to dry. It comes with instructions, and we'll show you how to wear it as well.
So why don't we show that right now?
Okay.
Now, Lillian's going to show you first how to wear the device.
Alright, so putting on this corrector is very, very easy. You put it on just like a jacket. So make sure you have the more gray side of your fabric on the inside. Outside you will see some Velcro for your adjustable straps, which I'll show you in a little bit. So I recommend just putting it on just like a jacket, making sure you can do that easily. Right. Now, with the straps that go around your arms, you have the ability to adjust it. By pulling this off, you can either tighten it or you can loosen it up. So I like mine about here. It gives me enough. It's comfortable enough to know that I need to fix my shoulders. And then I'll show you the back. This is what it looks like in the back. Now this piece right here, this is adjustable too. All you have to do is pull the Velcro down and adjust it to your desired position.
Okay, so we each got one of these, and I'm going to try mine for the very first time.
So, like I said earlier, for the back piece, there is a Velcro strap right here where you can adjust the length. So we're going to put this right here for you. And let's put it on and see how it feels.
Okay, like this?
Yes, just like a jacket.
Okay. All right.
Is it too tight? Is it too loose?
I mean, I feel it. I would say probably if I were wearing it for a long time, I'd like a little looser. So how would I loosen it?
So you have two straps right here that are just pull them. So
Okay.
you do this, you pull it. No, right there, right here.
Okay. Oh, okay, I see. That's very easy. It's almost too simple. Thought there'd be more to it. Okay.
Oh, that's
So,
it.
and then, yeah, it's making me feel like I want to stand taller. So I can feel it, but it's not uncomfortable.
All right, so this is the Easy Posture brand's Posture Corrector. This product is sold on Amazon, so check the description section below for the Amazon link and for the company website link.
And we'll put more information about the product. Thanks for watching.